Welcome guys, I would like to do first video about Fibonacci retracement levels. It is my core method, I use it every day and maybe 40 to 50% of my trades are made thanks to them. It's a really good method for Bitcoin because I think a lot of bots are using it and placing orders on the market, and a lot of market participants are using it as well. So if many people using it, it's working, quite well. So what is Fibonacci retracement levels? Fibonacci retracement levels are horizontal lines that indicate where support and resistance are likely to occur. They are based on Fibonacci numbers. Each level is associated with a percentage. The percentage is how much of prior move the price has retraced. Okay, we don't have to read theory. We can show on charts. I would like to show you how I was trading the market in the past 7 days, thanks to Fibonacci, and how many trades it made, profitable trades. So on 6th of March we had a big bottom. Yeah, we had a lot of retails were shorting, and now the big players started to buy here and here, and since then we just go up, like strong uptrend. So you can find Fibonacci here on the third icon and here. So how to use them? You are always looking for low and high of the move. If you are trading on 1 minute chart, then you will be looking for really small highs and lows, like really local ones. So the first pull will be from here to here. When we started the trend change, yeah. I usually, the yellow zone, 0.61 to 0.66 is like golden zone for Bitcoin. It's the most likely it will touch there and bounce from there. Like really, Bitcoin loves this zone. It was backtested maybe 2 years back, and this zone is like the most time hit, and there is a higher chance it will hold there than on other Fibonacci numbers. So how I'm using it for trades? I wait this zone to be hit, and I place stop loss under the gray line, which is 0.76. This is the last line you want to hold, so trend is not broken. It's like last line of defense for bulls or bears, yeah. So I usually place a stop loss under the gray one. So you have always defined stop loss. You don't have to struggle where to place the stop loss, under this low or lower. No, it can be here, down there. Bitcoin sometimes breach the yellow lines, but stops on the gray line or a bit lower. So I place it like here. You can also see my settings for rest of the numbers because we use them as well. I will tell you when. So I use this one too, even purple one, and this one too. I 0.236 I use the least because this one is already I only turn on this one when we have strong uptrend, and Bitcoin is not doing deep corrections, it's doing very shallow corrections. That's where it usually stops, on this number. So, and this number is I use more because Bitcoin stops there more often, and it's also for the strong uptrends. If you don't breach this number down, this line, the trend can continue up. That's usual. If you breach this number, you go through it, the Bitcoin will go to these lower levels, to 0.5 and the golden zone, 0.61 and 0.66. You will see that on a chart, so yeah. And so we can go together and see how many good trades it offered. It offered maybe, I can't count, maybe 200 trades were done for the last 7 days just from Fibonacci. So this was my first pool. I will just turn off the green one. Can keep the purple. So you can see my stop loss was here. We made our move. I usually take profit when I see maybe here, when I see some nice strong move, first move, I take profit maybe for 30%. So I can make money for stop loss. So from that moment, I can't lose money on position because I earned for stop loss. It's like I have maybe, I am in plus. So even if I hit stop loss, I don't lose money. So this is good for this strategy. So you can, even on losing trades, you are not losing actually. Yeah. So you're building. So I take first profit here. And when I see new high, I take maybe 40% profit, 30. Sometimes I ladder profits, yeah. But you want to take profit fast because market, you know, on 1 minute especially can turn around fast. So you take profit, okay? And you still keep, this is the most important, you always keep maybe 20-30% of your original position from here. In case we shoot up, yeah, you have nice position. Sometimes those last movements, sometimes from the smallest position you can make the most with almost no risk. Okay, so we are still in this position, yeah. So market is moving is doing new high. So you again take the Fibonacci and make it, yeah. So you see we just stopped again on the golden zone. So sometimes I'm doing it like this. I have position here, so I purchase, maybe I just add to my position maybe 50%. So my original entry is a bit higher, but I can trend with the market. And again, we have nice movement. I take first profit here to earn for stop loss or just, you know, make money again. And here up there, I will take profit again, the main profit, okay? And we go again. You know, we can show like this, market is moving, yeah. We can see we have again new low, new high. So you're already preparing Fibonacci because you know it should stop on your levels. So again. So you see this one, it didn't even close under, we just stopped there. And we again didn't hit my stop loss. So stop loss here is very safe. And you have another move up, okay? So you just took money for stop loss here and you booked main profit here. So you already have from 13:30 in 1 hour, you have 3 trades from Fibonacci. Okay. And when you see really nice structure like this one, you can make trend, parallel trend. So it's actually showing you where you take profits. No, actually it's not so precise, this one, never mind. We focus on Fibonacci, okay, because this is all you need, like, to really start learning and to make some nice trades out of it. So we have another low, we have another high, so we do again Fibonacci. So you have it like this, you pull them and you wait. You see, I just want to show you what market did because now it's done, yeah, but I just want to show you how it hit nice. And again, it was hit. So I actually never closed my position. I was just adding on these. But you can even close positions like fully here on the tops and take new positions there. It's up to you. So you see we hit here, we took profit, but we have stop loss. Yeah, we have stop loss here. So now this is our first loss, really small loss, because we're gonna earn for stop loss. As you can see, Bitcoin can do this, do these things, like really big down. So you must have stop loss, because you don't know if it's not going like down, you know. Okay, so we can delete this one. So this was last move to, you know, to wipe all those longs here, but now we have like really strong rejection and we are going up. You can see it's very impulse wave, very strong wave. It's not like here like da, but you know, very impulsive wave. So you make Fibonacci again, because you have now really good low and really good high. And now you can see the trend is much stronger. It's not going to test the lower lines. It wants to be stronger. So it held the purple line easily. We can even turn now the green one, because we see the trend is starting to be strong. So we don't miss movement. Yeah. So if you hold purple line, you can place stop loss under here. And now we're going up. So this was your entry. You took profit for stop loss here, and you wait for the you know, new high, and it was really strong move. So you would made a lot of money on this trade, because we want moves like this. This is really nice. If you miss this move, for example, you came to the market late, you can even make Fibs here and see the purple line held again. So even on really small moves. So you wait. Let's see what market did. Yeah, he made another high. So you have high and you want to pull Fibs again, so you can make another trade. Okay, so you see it held the purple line again. This was your entry. So you can pull from here. So you can pull from here or here, but it will give you a good entry anyway. So, and now we were close to the golden zone. So either way, I would enter here from both pulls. And we see the market is slower now. It's not doing so big movement, so you want to participate on this. So you will take the local low and pull it. Now we don't need green line, because we see it's not it's not very strong uptrend. Yeah, it's like slowly. So again, your entry. We have low, we can pull Fib here. Okay, so this was your entry. You had stop loss under the gray one. It was not touched. No loss. It again made you money. New high. And again, you pull from here. This was your entry, stop loss here. You made money. We didn't make new high, so you had to take the profit here. If you didn't, your stop loss would be hit here. Okay. Now it's just sideways action, so you just wait for market structure. If it's sideways, you can look for lower low. You don't have to take the low from the range. you can pull from a lower low like this one, yeah. So you see more clearly, because yeah, sideways you need to look for lower entries. So you would pull like this. Yeah, so people were just playing around the purple line and a yellow line. So you had your support there, yeah. And we finally had a break from the range. When you have a range and you have a break, you usually continue direction if it's not swing failure pattern, because those people are shorting, yeah. Now they had to close in loss, so they caused the rise. They caused the rise, and you know, they are trapped, or you know. So yeah, so you have a little low here. You pull Fips over there, and again you have your entry here or here. It didn't even reach the golden zone, so that's why you want to have a purple line is working pretty well, really. And again, really slow movements, but you know, all movements on market are technical. Doesn't matter who is buying, so even on small movements, Fips are working again. This was your entry, take profit here, stop loss here, or you just wait for bigger movement. Your stop loss is safe. Yeah. And now we have a bigger move. You can pull Fips here and here. And you can see the market structure started to change, because we were doing higher high and higher low for most of the day, and now you can see we are not moving. We are not doing a higher high and a higher low. We just started really small trend down. Okay. So in that case, I usually do not take the trade if I know the trend is up, like strong uptrend. I was sleeping anyway about this time, but you know, this is the change of market structure, just temporary, but yeah. So Fips might not work. You had selling Fips. You could really scalp these small moves, like, you know. If you want to buy, you always pull the Fips from low to high. That's your buyer's Fips, Fibonacci's, yeah. If you want to sell and you want to be like, see what sellers see, you pull from high to down. So you see where is your entry for sell, yeah. Okay, so we had small downtrend during Asia. It's normal. They all usually do opposite here. And the trend was broken here, yeah. So you had your last entries here, from this low to here. So again, really nice entry from local low. And you had your big move up. Really strong move up. Yeah, if you have a move like this, it is hard to enter, but you wait for correction. You never buy, you never FOMO in, like stupid buy without no technical reason. You just wait, because the correction always comes, even on smaller time frame. But when you have move like this, it's hard to pull Fib, like to get good entry, because it's, you know, so you can do like this, like find the low, the closest low, and now you see it not hitting even those Fibs. So trend is very strong. So you need to turn on more aggressive Fibs for trend. And now you see the red line. So this is the most aggressive one. If you have strong trend, it was not exactly the support, but you know, we bounced around there, and you could take your profit. Now we have just sideways, so this is like real sideways, so I don't see much trading here for Fips. It's not offering good entries. I mean, those moves are really good. Those moves are really good actually, because when I zoom in, it's when you buy here, $300 moves, it's more than enough. So you can even scalp here, of course. Yeah, just need to take profit fast because we are sideways, so not much movement. So we had the rise, we dropped down, and I would look for first entry from this low to here. Okay, and now you had a nice entry at golden zone, stop loss down, and then you had a nice reaction up. And now we just go down. So that's most important, to see market structure. If you see higher highs, higher lows, you just want to buy and pull Fips that way. And if you see market structure change, like you have here, high and higher high, it means we are going down temporary, or it's just longer downtrend. You can pull negative, you can pull seller Fips, yeah. So you see, nice hit, and you can go down. Yeah, even on such a low time frame, it's working so well. So this was your first entry. Okay, so this was your first entry, this was your second entry. Again, here, the zone. And now you had nice move up. Just make sure take profits fast, quickly, because 1 minute trading is it's hard, and your profits can be taken away easily. So just take profit. Yeah, so we started to have a nice move up. You see it's not hitting your line, so you just turn on more aggressive green Fib and you have perfect entry and up. Okay, so this was it. So we reached the golden. It's again entry. Nice. So this is how it's working so well on 1 minute. Sometimes it's risky because you can change the trend. Like here again, we changed trend, yeah, to local down. Again, higher, like lower low, lower high. So we need to start using selling Fibonacci's. Yeah, it was close, but if you put stop loss here, it was not hit, and you go down. Okay, another high, another low. This was aggressive, so just the green line, sell, down. Down moves are sometimes more violent because we are in bull market, and it's always like that. Down moves, very aggressive, people in fear. Yeah, it was pretty long downtrend. So this is how Fibonacci works on 1 minute. You can scalp it all day long. We can look for today, for my today's trade. Yeah, where is the start of the day? Yeah, I started around 13th of March, 6 a.m. Yeah, I wake up here. I wake up here. I made my fips. And again, very nice entry. Made money for stop loss, made money overall. Closed 80% of my positions up there. Then again, I put another fip. Added to my position from here, so my average was somewhere here, stop loss here. I made money for stop loss easy. And after that, we had a big pump. Yeah, it was big breach. As we breached the previous all-time high, it was expected we will get a huge upside because a lot of stop losses were hit. A lot of liquidations, yeah. If you have a huge move like this, you sometimes have it, yeah. You can, it's really hard to pull Fibonacci even catch moves. You can go from the closest low, yeah, from here to here, you had high. And you need to turn on the red one so you can see the enter. Yeah, this was really a huge move. It's not working well. Can pull maybe from here. No, it's not much working because you know this is too much, but you can scalp the range anyway. You can scalp the range. So we go up. I just need to turn them off. Aggressive ones. Yeah, so this was my trader. I think it was hit by stop loss. This was loss. And then we had this low, this high, and here was my entry. This one, yeah. $400 move, that's more than enough. Sometimes in scalping you're looking for 200 to 300 move, even 400, it's like super. It will make you nice money. So yeah, if we have, yeah, after such a huge move, we usually have like consolidation, so you can scalp it, but take profit fast, because you know, it's very tight. Again, a nice entry. $256 move, take profit fast. I pull Fibonacci's most of the time for buy because you need to know, you need to just zoom out. You need to zoom out and look on the overall trend. And since 47,000 we just go up. So there was not a single breach of support. Okay, so why should I sell? I don't want to sell, you know, I want to buy because my higher probability trade is a buyer, to be a buyer. Okay. So this was 1 minute scalping, like you can do every day, make money every day. But if you have a bigger move on the markets, or you want to catch bigger move on the market, or you don't have so much time, trade 8 hours a day and scalping, you can look for higher time frame and use Fibonacci there because it's working so well up there. You can then catch much bigger move. So for example here, you had you always look on those higher time frames for the major low and major high. You just pull it. So you don't have to be inside 1 minute chart, and it's working well here. And you see, here was your entry, stop loss down there, and your move was like more than $1,000 up there, so you catch much bigger movement. Yeah, so this was really nice move without no correction. But you made low here. Really small one, so you just pull your fibs. Yeah, this was your entry, stop loss down there, and really nice move. $1,500 move up. So on higher time frame, the moves are bigger and, you know, making more money. And this was a really strong like uptrend, so you could take fibs here, place the major high, and make the green line for nice entry. And you got your entry here. It was very aggressive move, so the correction was really shallow, so the green one helped you. And again, major high, major low. Nice. Again, entry here. Entry here, stop loss down there. And you could catch, really big move, $3,000 move. So I'm scalping every day, but I'm always aware of the main trend, which is up. So I always try to be on the right side of the market. Okay. And you always want to have the Fibonacci marked on your charts from higher time frames. So in case big drop or big rise, you know where you could enter a longer term position. Even here, this was really deep correction, but it would not hit my stop loss because my stop loss is under, like this from the gray line. What can help your trades? So your Fibonacci is your first confluence. You can scalp it on 1 minute without so much confluence, but on higher time frames, you want to know maybe another level close by, or you just want more things out there, so your probability of trade is higher. So for example, here we stop on Fibonacci, but also on weekly VWAP. Yeah, it was support here close. It was really nice support. So Fibonacci for me is just one piece of puzzle, but it is really important because I think it's 40 or 50% of my money are generated because thanks to them. So yeah, I think this is all about Fibonacci. So again, you use mainly the pink one and the yellow ones as a main trading buy zone or sell zone. Here is your stop loss, and you can turn on the green one or the red one, 0.236 for more aggressive uptrends. If there is no correction like deeper, if it's not correcting deeper, you can turn them on and it will give you a nice entry to participate in a trend. Yeah. So I hope you all learned something from this video. I will bring more videos soon, and I hope you will practice and you want to master Fibonacci. It will be your, you can do a lot of money from it. Yeah. So if you have any questions, contact me about them on Discord, and see you later, guys. I hope it will help you. Okay, bye.